It's a new day, and I'm trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel in Grove Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, we're super excited to be bringing you guys along with us back out to our 3-foot by 6-foot in-ground garden planter that we did indeed name the Pumpkin Patch, where we're currently growing both Big Max pumpkins and organic cucumbers. It's been approximately 3 to 4 days since we brought you guys our last video update on that planter where we harvested our very first organic cucumber. But in today's video, YouTube, we have several cucumbers out there at the pumpkin patch that we're about to harvest. I'm gonna flip this camera around for you guys right now, walk you guys out to the pumpkin patch, show you what things are currently looking like, and then show you the cucumbers that we're about to harvest right here, right now at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Hang tight, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, here we are back out at the pumpkin patch where again we're currently growing both Big Max pumpkins and organic cucumbers with all of the nearly daily rain showers that we're getting here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. The leaves on our plants are indeed beginning to look a little worse for wear, but we're not worried about that at all, YouTube, because we have an abundance of both blossoms on our plants and cucumbers in various stages of development. We know that little discoloration of our leaves will have no effect on the growth of our cucumbers here in our planter. Again, YouTube, we have about 4, maybe 5 cucumbers on these plants that we're going to remove from these plants today. I'm going to take you guys in for a couple of close-ups here, brush some of these leaves aside, and give you guys a peek at some of the ones that we do intend on removing from our plants today. You guys can see down in there, maybe we have one nice sized cucumber down in there, YouTube, that we do intend to be removing from our plants today. We do indeed have 2 side by side laying up there on that log that we do indeed intend to be removed from our plants today, YouTube. We have one here beneath these leaves, if you guys can see that we do intend to be removed from our plants today. And we have another over in here, YouTube, over in here. I'm gonna brush these leaves aside and give you guys a peek at that guy down in there. We'll be removing these, all 5 of these cucumbers here today. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done right now and bring you guys back in about 5 minutes and show you guys exactly what our harvest looks like. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, guys, here we are at our very first cucumber we're about to remove from our plants today. Go ahead and take our scissors and snip that stem off there as close to the main stem as possible. Indeed, this is our second cucumber over in here that we're going to remove from our plants today. We're going to do that same thing, cut that stem as close to the main stem as possible. Take you guys over in here, if I can get over in here without crushing my vines. This is indeed the 4th cucumber that we're going to be removing from our plants today, YouTube. I know a lot of you guys might be saying that these cucumbers are indeed kind of small, or smaller than what you're used to seeing in the grocery stores. And you couldn't be more right about that. These are indeed organic cucumbers, and organic fruit of any type or vegetables of any type will always be smaller than what you buy in the grocery store, because those fruits and vegetables are grown using all types of chemical fertilizers in order to produce more fruit, larger fruit, and that's not what we're doing here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. At any rate, YouTube, we're going to gather those fruit that we just removed from our plants and bring you guys back to show you the total of our harvest in just a moment. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we're back here after removing 5 nice sized organic cucumbers from our plants here at the pumpkin patch. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you exactly what the total of our harvest of organic cucumbers from the pumpkin patch currently looks like. Take a look at this, YouTube. All right, YouTube, this is indeed what things currently are looking like here at the pumpkin patch, where we're currently growing both organic cucumbers and Big Max pumpkins that you can see have indeed come into flower back there in the back of this planter. But this, YouTube, this is indeed what our second harvest of organic cucumbers from the pumpkin patch currently looks like. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Aren't they nice, YouTube? Again, we harvested a total of 5 organic cucumbers from right here at the pumpkin patch in our front yard garden extended grow area in between Queen Annie's place and the red shed over there. And indeed, YouTube, indeed, we could not possibly be more pleased by our harvest. We have an abundance of smaller cucumbers and blossoms left on our plants out here. The bumblebees are indeed busy in our gardens, as you can see over there in that corner over there flying around. We still have the bumblebees out here, not only bumblebees, but honeybees out here in our gardens as well. So we do indeed expect to be harvesting several more cucumbers from our planter out here as the season progresses. But if you currently are watching this video on YouTube and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, thanks for watching. And please remember to hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Our second organic cucumber harvest at the pumpkin patch. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Waking up early morning, it's a new day, and I'm trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to Sharp for letting this light you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation is the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time, 'cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game, and way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. I know it's been a minute, that don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time I hate the steps.